Pork chops and gravy. How many pork chops? 5? 6? 8 pork chops you're gonna eat? Holy mackerel. You're a hungry girl, eh? What about potatoes? Any potatoes? No, you're not too fan of potatoes, eh? What about gravy? Want some gravy? Want some gravy? What about gravy? Corn? Carrots? I know you love carrots. Oh, wow, yeah. And what about for dessert? Creme de brulee? How do you even know about creme de brulee? You ate it before? When? I didn't give it to you before. Where did you go get creme brulee? When were you in France? No, you weren't. How did you get there? You took a plane, what do I think? You're awful sarcastic. Okay, I get it. So, did you meet anybody on the plane? Any doggies, any people? What'd you meet, doggies or people? A German Shepherd. His name was Ben. Oh, nice. Was he a big German Shepherd? Not that big? Did you meet anybody else? A parrot named Sammy. And did you talk to Sammy? Really? Did Sammy have lots to say? Oh, he told you dirty jokes? He had a foul mouth, eh? Probably because he's a fowl. Get it? You get it? You get the joke? He's a fowl because it's a bird. So, how did you get home? On the plane, what do I think? Oh, obviously, yes. Not there. Sorry about that. Did you bring home any souvenirs? No souvenirs? Why? You don't wear clothes that have no pockets. I understand. Yeah, that makes sense. Well, it's good that you're back in one piece.
It was great. Thank you for asking.
Yeah. So what are you doing? Oh, you're flying out again. Where? Africa? You gonna go see some African dogs? Are they your relatives? You descended from wild dogs? That's amazing. Yeah. So what breed are you? Half hyena, half wild dog. I don't believe it. You're telling me a fib. Hey, telling me tales. Well, say goodbye. Good girl.